Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and today I just wanted to share a few tips on how to stay healthy and reduce stress during the holiday season. So we are just a couple weeks out from Christmas, and New Year's is right behind that, and we've had a really busy few weeks with Thanksgiving, Christmas, all of the different winter holidays. And I know that people can get really overwhelmed, they can get stressed, and that can manifest in a lot of different ways. A lot of people manifest stress in a physical way. Maybe they have some indigestion, maybe they end up getting sick, their immunity is brought down. I see a lot of people with a lot of tension in their neck and shoulders and getting headaches. So let's talk about a few things that we can do to manage that during this really stressful and busy time. So number one, be able to say no to things. So now that we are kind of back to normal and there's all kinds of activities and parties and things to go to, a lot of people feel obligated to go to all the things that they're being invited to. But if you're feeling overwhelmed, you're feeling depleted, you're feeling under the weather, any of the above, or you just don't feel like going, it's okay to say no and to have that boundary. So I would encourage you to do that when you need to. Number two, continue to get adjusted. So I see a lot of times that people drop off during this last couple months of the year because things are so crazy, they're traveling, lots of different things are going on, but I would encourage you to still come in for your maintenance adjustments. Chiropractic adjustments are a really great way to help to boost your immunity and to help reduce stress. So we're reducing cortisol, which is the stress hormone, every time we do an adjustment. So that can help you to better be able to manage any stress that comes along if your body is working at its absolute best. A couple other things that I would recommend is taking some time for self-care. So whatever that looks like that for you, that could be just an hour or two to yourself that you want to read or go for a walk. It could be getting a massage. It could be any variety of things, but things that light you up, that replenish you, that refill your cup. I would encourage you to do those things over the next couple of weeks, even though you feel like you may not have time to do it. Find a little bit of time. Give yourself that 30 minutes, hour, couple hours, because you are worth it. And the last thing I would recommend to help reduce stress during this time is to maintain some of your normal routines. So for me, a big thing that's been really important for me is continuing to exercise throughout these next few weeks. Again, we get busy and some things get put to the back burner, but I would encourage you, if you have a regular exercise routine, you do yoga, you walk, whatever that looks like for you, that you continue to do that through the holidays as much as you can to help reduce stress. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. Happy holidays. Thanks for listening. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.